Alright, so we're continuing. Here. So once you have already done the first one, we're going to be putting everything inside. So since I already have the GTA3 folder, which is here, it's already 199 gigabytes, and I have already installed it. So it's going to be here in the GTA3 data folder. So first you gotta put all the files of the GTA3 compressed folder into here in the GTA3 folder. You have to create this GTA3 folder. Alright? You gotta create this first, and after that you gotta copy all the files in the GTA3 folder, which is this one. If you already have a GTA3 folder, you can just copy it from your computer to your PS Vita in the into data slash GTA3 in here. And once that's over, put the GTA3 files inside the GTA3 folder and replace the files within it. Once that's done, install the GTA3 VPK, and that's it. You don't have to do anything else. That's done. Look, I'm gonna play it for you. Damn thing. I'm gonna play it for you. And it's gonna play. It's gonna play, goddammit. This thing is gonna play for fucking real. With that shit, it works. It fucking works. I don't know how you're not doing it right. I don't know why you're saying it is incorrect. Why are you doing it? Why are you doing that? Go on. See, it works. It fucking works. Now, you gotta do this. Put a distance, draw distance to the least amount of the draw distance, alright? You can just put the touching borders on or not, subtitles on or not. And for those who are actually trying to look this shit, look, there's this thing. There's the language setting. Look at that. You can change the language in the game. I don't understand why you're not looking at it. Why? And then there's the graphics, alright? You gotta put it in 69 or 4.3, or maybe you can just go auto, you know? And then here, put frame sync on so that you can get 30 FPS, alright? Frame limiter, fuck that shit. Trail, fuck. Post FX, fuck. Don't even try to do that to me. Audio, yeah, this is very good. Yeah, but I don't care about that shit, alright? We're not here for that shit. We're here for the gameplay. Look at this shit. Fucking shit. You having a time of my life? Fuck that shit. I'm having a time of my life here, bitch. Let's go. I was watching Sorosama play Minecraft with Kotone, alright? You don't do that. You don't fuck with me, man. What? Huh? You want me to use the shotgun to you, huh? You want me to use shotgun? Fucking shit. Huh? You think that's funny? Stupid shit. Fuck you. Fine, I'm done. Goodbye.